Hi, Glennie. How are you?
I am good. How are you, Hannah?
I'm doing all right.
Well, we're doing Tuesday Newsday.
Yes, thank you
So,
for joining us. We
hey.
have a little bit to talk about today.
Yeah, we do. We have several interesting and cool things going on here in town. So, yeah, ready to share all the information with everybody.
Yeah.
So,
So we have some construction going on.
yes, we do. Yes, we do. Well, Hamilton, the city, and the state got some grants, and they are doing some upgrades to our sidewalks and also crosswalks. So it's quiet right now, but it is so loud when they're doing all the construction.
Yeah, they've got the jackhammers, they've got concrete, like new concrete is being poured. There's actually, for Chuck's birthday, there were a couple of funny photos with there was one funny one with the construction workers, and then there was another one. Chuck was being walked by Natalie, and there was a hammer just left on the ground. And so we went and we picked up the hammer and took some pictures with that, and it was
So you
pretty
guys
funny.
were part of the construction team.
Oh yeah. Chuck is very helpful.
Oh, yes, absolutely. Well, I think it's going to be wonderful when it's all completed. It's going to make things safer, and it's going to make our sidewalks really nice and even.
Yes,
So,
we won't have any more like big bumps just randomly.
yeah, so we're very excited about it. Now, while it's going on, depending on where they're working, there's some parking issues.
Yeah, some stores might be closed, but they should open back up here soon. The construction workers are amazing, and they're doing it pretty quick. They're getting it through.
They're doing a great job. And so any shop that's closed, it'll just be temporary because it's just when they're right in front of it. So yeah, it's looking really fantastic. So we're excited.
And the weather has been kind of interesting lately.
Yeah, we're used to fake spring here, right? And I think this is real spring.
I know. I think we finally hit real spring. The trees are starting to bloom. It's, rainy. So if you come visit us, be sure to bring a lightweight, raincoat.
Yes, just something light, umbrellas maybe.
Oh, yeah.
But it's just been like hit or miss, and but gorgeous otherwise. Just in the 70s and just perfect weather.
Yes,
so.
it's been so nice. So Sadie, she's my puppy, and we have been just sitting outside underneath the trees playing for like hours every day, and she's having the best time of her life. She's like, winter's over and I get to run.
Yes. My animals are pretty excited about it too, and I am too, because I think this weekend I'm going to be able to do some gardening, get some things planted.
Yes. Oh my gosh.
Because we wait because fake spring, right? So yeah, it is not fake anymore. We are planting things.
Yes, I actually just helped my mom till up a big circle in her backyard so she could plant like tulips and like wildflowers. Like she just sprinkled all the seeds, and it was fun. I don't remember all the other flowers that we planted, but they were like weird bulbs, and they almost kind of looked like onions or like garlic.
Probably dahlias.
Yeah, I think actually that's what it was. Yeah.
I'm planting some of those too, so
They're gonna be so pretty when they sprout.
yeah, I love dahlias. So
Speaking of Natalie, she has a tutorial coming out this Friday.
yes, she does, and it is called twirling threads. I will let everybody guess what that might be
What it might look like.
What it might look like, but it is so darling. It is such a pretty quilt. So.
I haven't seen it yet, so I'm gonna be keeping an eye out for that because I'm excited. I'm curious.
Oh, I know, it's super cute, and it's coming out on Friday, which is Natalie's birthday.
Yes, it is. She's gonna be. Oh no, I don't know how old she's gonna be,
You
and
can't say
I'm
it.
not gonna say it out loud. She's gonna be 21.
That's right. Again. So that's right. So if you're on social media, or if you are watching the video and you want to leave her a happy birthday comment,
Oh, she would love that.
yeah, we're giving you a heads up, right?
Yeah. Oh man. Okay. I don't know if she watches Tuesday Newsdays all the time, but I'm gonna tell you guys what I got her.
Oh, how fun. Natalie, don't listen.
Yeah, Mom, if you're watching, go away. So for Mother's Day, I got her a little teacup set. It's just one little plate, and it's a little cup, and it's white, and it has purple trim. It's really cute. And then for her birthday on Friday, I got her a Mother's Legacy journal.
Oh, sweet.
Because grandma's story is out there, but I don't really know my mom's story. And like, I don't know, I love things like that. I think it's so cool. I found a half-finished book from my grandma on my dad's side, and she passed before I was born, so I never got to meet her.
Oh.
And so reading that was just like, it was amazing. And it's in her own handwriting, and like, that's just so cool to me.
Oh, that's neat. That is a fantastic idea for the grandkids now. So thank you for planting that.
You're welcome. It's so much fun. I don't know. I just love anything sentimental, anything that like has to do with history or someone's past. Like, I'm just like, I want to know.
Well, your mom is going to love that because she's kind of the same way.
I know. I think I get it from her.
I think you
my
do.
grandma is the same way. I mean, my great grandma, my grandma's mom, she was super into ancestry. So
so it's a family trait.
Yeah, I guess so. All right, let's see. We also have a few more things going on in town.
Yes, we do. We have some things coming up. In June, we have MSA and Guild Days, and that's happening the 10th and the 11th of June. The tickets for MSA are all sold out. They went so fast.
Oh yeah, I bet.
But it's our 5th one that we have put together, and it's going to be amazing. But we didn't want anybody to be feeling left out. So come to town anyway, because we are going to have all of the fantastic instructors. They're going to be doing some demos and things in our shops.
Oh, for free?
For free.
Oh, awesome. Okay.
Yeah.
That's something that I really do love about us is even if you buy tickets to come to an event or a retreat or whatever's happening in town, like you do not actually have to have a ticket to see a whole bunch of amazing things. Like you have to have a ticket to go see the main event, you know.
Right.
Guys, I did the finger quotes.
She did. Main event.
But like you can still come to town even while all that stuff is going on without any ticket, and you can still have the best time.
Yeah, and just join in the celebration with us because we do put on a good celebration, don't we?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we always do.
Yeah.
And I'm sure Chuck will be out and about maybe once or twice.
So. We'll twist Chuck's arm and see.
Guys, I'm gonna have to get like one of those neck fans, you know?
Yeah.
I'm really needing to do that. I think we had one, and then I actually think I lost it. So I'm gonna have to go buy another one.
Yes, because it goes directly from spring to full-on heat of summer very quickly here.
I just was walking around last week for Chuck's birthday, and whew, man, I mean, I walked around for maybe 2 hours, and I was sweating buckets.
Well, it was 80 degrees. So.
Yeah, I guess that's fair. I didn't think about that.
That's right.
Oh, man.
So welcome to Missouri.
Yes. We also have a retreat with Michael Nardi of Brian Marr Quilts.
Yes, and that's going to be middle of May. It's May 13th through 16th. So you should, I think there are tickets still available for this one.
I think so, yes.
So you can go online, go onto our website and look up the events and retreats and check out the tickets and just come join a fun retreat with us. It's going to be, Michael is so much fun.
Oh yeah, I just love him. He's the sweetest.
And then we also have Stacy West of Buttermilk Basin, and she's going to be here late June, so June the 24th through the 27th. And we do have tickets available for that one, and everybody loves Buttermilk Basin.
Oh yeah.
So come on and join one of our retreats. They're always such a great time. We do a lot of special things for our retreaters.
Yes.
And make it super fun. So
yeah, it's gonna be so much fun. I just love seeing like what everybody does, because everyone kind of does the same thing, but it's always different, you know. Speaking of projects, I see you have a little something.
I brought some show and tell. Yes, I did. Well, people always ask me, you know, are you a quilter? And I always say I'm a beginner quilter because I don't have a lot of time to do it, right? And I have so many hobbies that I like to do.
Yes.
So this is one that I'm working on currently.
Oh, cute.
Isn't it cute?
I love the fabric. I love Tula Pink.
Yeah, this is Tula Pink, and it is called Beasties. So, and
look at how pretty.
Isn't it cute?
Oh, the bunnies. The little goldfish.
I know.
Oh my gosh.
The goldfish are so cute. And this is in the building blocks pattern. So we do have a tutorial on that, thank goodness, because if I didn't have a tutorial to watch, I would be lost.
I'm a visual learner too. I need someone to like show me exactly what I need to do, and then I can do it fine.
And if I forget, then I can always go back and rewatch. But we do have the pattern available also, which I printed out. I did the digital, and yeah, it is easy, but it's, you have to know how to lay out the blocks.
Yeah,
and-
it goes in pretty quick. I actually think that was one of my first pattern tests, testing quilts when I started pattern testing for the quilt company. Oh geez, what was it, 5-6 years ago now?
It's been a while.
That makes me feel so old.
You are super old, Hannah.
I know.
Oh, goodness.
Don't tell my mom.
And I do like to do a lot of hand work when
Yes.
I'm, because then you can sit with your family and you can have a TV show going. I don't know what half the people look like because I'm doing hand work.
You
but
just hear their voices.
I just hear their voices. But I've been doing some embroidery.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, and this is some of the Ingrid's flowers.
Yeah, that's so beautiful.
And
You did a great job. Your
Oh, thank
stitches look
you.
fantastic.
Oh, thank you. I cut them apart and just lay them out the way that I want them to
Yeah.
be, which is, you absolutely can do with our peel and stitch. And I also made this cute little tote.
Oh my gosh.
Isn't
Look at
it
how
cute?
pretty. Look at how beautiful those are. Your stitches just look fantastic.
Oh, thank you. Now, doing it on canvas is a little bit more of a challenge.
Yes.
But I thought it turned out sweet.
Well, and canvas is nice too. It's like, isn't it like canvas and jeans that you don't necessarily have to have a hoop with
Yeah.
because it's a firm enough fabric that you can just
It
do
was
it.
very difficult to hoop this, and I
Yeah.
had to have a small hoop. So, but my daughter Rachel also does embroidery, and she has done some on canvas, and she's broken a couple of hoops because it is a very dense fabric. So you don't necessarily have to hoop it.
Yeah, and be cautious too, because there was one time I was oh my goodness, English is hard for me. I was embroidering my jean jacket and I almost broke my needle in my
Yeah.
fingers. So definitely be sure to be mindful of your needles and your hoop when you're
Right.
doing anything stronger than cotton.
That's right. And fresh needles are always good when you're doing a stiff fabric like this. Or you remember the little pin cushions with the tiny little strawberry that hung off? They were filled with sand, and
Oh yeah.
if you can find one of those, you can kind of sharpen the little
Yeah.
needle.
That's
So,
really nice. Yeah. I forgot. Man, I need to get one with sand.
yeah,
I need to get one with sand.
I know. I don't know if we have those here or not, but
I don't know either. Oh man, I'll have to look that up.
I've had one for a long, long time. So, and then my first love, he's so adorable. I saw this pattern, and I love to buy patterns from artists, but I love a good free pattern too. Don't get me wrong. The girl likes her free patterns, but I had to pay for this one because he is just too adorable.
He is so cute. Oh my gosh,
Isn't
his
he
little face.
I know, and I was able to make him so his head is adjustable.
Oh wow. Very cool.
Isn't he just adorable?
He is so cute. Can I ask what you stuffed him with? Is it just
It's just
Fluffy?
polyfill. I buy polyfill in giant boxes by the pound, like 5 pounds, 10 pounds. It's giant boxes because I do make a lot of little toys.
yes?
Because I have
But
grandkids.
that's so much fun, and he is so cute.
I know. I don't know if I want to give him away. He's so adorable.
I would keep him. If he's the first one you made, keep him for yourself. Make another
Make
one.
another one.
Yeah.
Yeah. I beta tested him.
Yes,
See,
exactly.
He's my beta test.
He's the prototype.
That's
and
right.
You've always got to keep the prototype.
That's right. That's right. Most of the time when we're in the middle of a project, creators, we tend to have more than one project going at once
Oh yeah.
because it's the shiny new thing. Oh, I love that pattern, but this whipped up so fast, and I just think he's adorable. So.
He's the cutest thing.
So yeah, those are some of my projects right now. I know my little grandson is not going to be watching this, but he is really into Pokemon.
Oh yeah.
And so I did find a pattern for a Pikachu.
Oh, that's gonna be awesome. That's gonna be so cute. And Pikachu is just like the cutest little creature.
Oh yeah. So I've got the yellow yarn. I'm all ready to get started on that pattern. So
Well, it sounds like a fun project.
I know there's always something, right?
Yeah. Well, I think that's all we have for this Tuesday Newsday.
I do think so. It seemed short, but there's so much going on.
Yes.
It is our busy season is starting, and so many things going on in the shops and in town. So come visit us. I mean, we'll be out and about. I know Hannah will be, whether she's Hannah or Chuck.
Chuck maybe less often, but you might see me every now and then.
That's right. That's right.
All right. Well, thank you for joining us.
Yeah, thank you very much. Have a great day.